Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to perform a single leg bridge exercise. This is a great exercise to train unilateral strength. So unlike the double bridge where we use both legs, we're going to be performing this on one leg at a time. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my right leg to show you the leg that's going to be working. And what you're going to do is you're going to be lying on your back with your hands flat on the ground. And with that right leg, I'm just going to go to the center of my body, okay? Now I'm going to bring the opposing leg pretty much at the same level as the opposite leg. And I'm going to tighten my core, and I'm going to lift my hips up towards the ceiling as high as I can. We're trying to reach full extension where we're training the glutes and the hamstrings and then lowering back down. Anywhere between 3 sets of about 6 to 8 repetitions at a time can be really good for working all of those lower body muscles.